All clear, dispatch. Dispatch news, you're out of here. Select for launching a dream ride.
At least they have 2 trains running today. Both times I was here this season, they were only running 1.
The other times I was here, they were shut down because something got trapped or stuck or whatever. One dude was stuck. One group was stuck for a few hours. So it seems like a miserable way to spend your day, but it happens. But hardly haven't been on these since like 2015-ish. Woohoo! With that, she would have disowned me. She literally got to the height where she could ride everything this year, and this is the year that everything closes. So.
My first looping coaster.
Gotcha. Yeah, I would say Kingston venue was first for me. I'm originally from Virginia. Have you ever been to School Point?
Oh, multiple times.